I got it here, new Reate Exo Scorpion. These things are so popular, and guess what? They just have made a new one, serrated. Check this out. This one like a dagger style. Both sides are sharp and also partially serrated. These things are so popular, they sell out in one day. I probably saw just the biggest drop at the multiple website at the same time, and they're all sold out within one day. I really enjoy their boxes too. Reate Exos. There is a holder. Comes with a little baggie, little pouch, and a microfiber towel to clean your knife and stuff. So let's see what else kind of models they got over here. Give you a couple extra screws just in case. Ooh, I like that one. This one more of a classic look, like a kitchen knife. That's what most people used to see, except this one is partially serrated. I hope one day, maybe in 6 months or so, whenever they're gonna do another production run, they're going to do full serrated. That would be cool. And handle is full titanium, and this scale is Green America serial number 787. So that's usually what means how many of them have been produced, but they're all different shape, I guess, and I never seen them before do serrated knives. Okay, what else we got here? It should be one of different shape, blade shape. Just wanted to show you to you guys. You know what, I got two of the same ones right here. Let's see what this one is. Different color a little bit. Ooh, this one is Tanto. I like it. I have quite a bit of wiggle on this one, but it's fun. Pretty fidgety. No complaints, they're so popular. Let's see what this one is. You know, when I ordered them, they actually canceled 2 of my orders because there was too many of them sold and got oversold. This one different handle color. Beautiful. And also I got a couple of regular ones. Let's see what's in here. Non-serrated. Pretty cool, and it's bit blasted, so this kind of different. Before it's kind of like shiny ones. So they have changed since the first production, the boxes and a lot of other things, kind of like the new boxes and stuff. So let me know in comments below, what do you think? Do you guys still enjoy Reate knives? You know, some people collect them to where they want every color or every blade shape. Knives are very collectible. A lot of people enjoy their hobby.